Minutes. My name is Caroline, and today we're going to talk about how to build an argument in PQE. And what does that mean? Point, quote, and explain. And what does that mean? Well, let's take a look together. The P stands for make your point. Think about what point you're trying to make or what you're trying to point out to the reader about the text or poem or other kind of text you're analyzing. For example, you can agree or disagree with a statement an author makes, and you can point out the specifics of an author's argument. The Q stands for quote. After you've made your point about, for example, a text or a poem, now you use a quote to back up your argument and support your point. Using a quote from the text or a primary source will show that you are not just inventing things, but that you can prove them and confirm your argument with support from the text you're talking about. The E stands for explain. After you have made your point and then supported your point with a quote from the text, you now have to explain what you mean by all of that. How does this quote support what you claimed before, and why is the point you are making important to your assignment? Now take a look at one of your own assignments. Have you made your point clearly? Have you supported this point or argument with a quote from a primary or a secondary source? And have you then explained how and why this is important? Does your argument relate to the assignment question? Here's a quick recap. PQE stands for point, quote, and explain. When you are putting together your argument for your essay, make sure you make your point, you support it with a quote, and then explain how that quote proves your point. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information. Good luck with your assignment!